Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix US cellular not sending or receiving texts. Why US cellular not sending or receiving text? Network issues. There may be temporary network outage or poor signal strength affecting your ability to send or receive messages. Incorrect settings. Your messaging settings might not be configured correctly. Device compatibility. If you recently switched device or carriers, there may be compatibility issue affecting the text messaging, especially if the number was not properly ported. Software glitches. Software bugs or outdated operating system can interfere with the messaging functionality. Fix 1. Unregistered iMessage. If you wipe your old iPhone without unregistered it from iMessage, your number might still be associated with iMessage, causing conflict with the messaging services. Go to the Apple's official unregistered page, enter your phone number, verify CAPTCHA, and click on the send code link. Enter and confirm the code and click on submit button. Fix 2. Turn on iMessage. If you are using, make sure you have turned on the iMessage. Go to the settings, then tap on the message and then turn on iMessages. Fix 3. Check for coverage issues. Confirm that you are in an area with the mobile network coverage and that there is no outage reported in your area. Ensure you have enough signal bar or at the top of the mobile. Go to the coverage map page and enter your zip code or address. Click on the search button. Fix 4. Check signal strength. Make sure you have sufficient signal bar displayed at the top of your mobile device, as this indicates the strength of your network connection. A weak signal can lead to issues with sending and receiving the text, calls, and other services. To refresh the signal strength, turn off and on the aeroplane mode. Swipe down from the quick settings in your device, turn on the aeroplane icon, wait for a few seconds, and then turn off it again. Fix 5. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings can help resolve various connectivity issues, such as problems with Wi-Fi, cellular data, or Bluetooth connections. For iOS, open the Setting app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on General. Select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on the Reset at the bottom of the screen. Choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your device passcode if prompted. Confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings again. For Android, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on System or General Management. Select Reset options and then Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Confirm by tapping Reset Settings. If prompted, select the SIM card you want to reset. Fix 6. Update the phone OS. Ensure your device is running in the latest software update. Older versions may interrupt messaging functionality. For iOS, go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Click on Automatic Updates and turn on both for downloading and installing updates. For Android device, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the System. Select Software Update or About Phone, then check for updates. Your device will search for available updates. If an update is found, follow the prompts to download and install it. Once the update is downloaded, you may need to restart your device to complete the installation. Fix 7. Contact a cellular support. Fix 7. Contact US cellular support. If the message issue occur after porting your number to US cellular support, you have to contact US cellular customer support to verify porting status and fix the issue. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.